Bobcat loaders offer the best overall visibility. And here's why. The cab forward design moves you closer to the bucket or attachment. The cab door opening was increased and the threshold was lowered. And sightlines to the side and the rear have been improved. But the best way to see the great visibility is to see it for yourself. Contact your local Bobcat dealer today. Bobcat M-Series loaders. The 500 platform loaders from Bobcat are more comfortable, have better visibility, and more power than ever. Perhaps the most noticeable improvement is the unique cab-forward design that moves the operator closer to their work. Bobcat also increased the size of the cab by 10% and redesigned the interior so the environment is more adjustable for the operator. The cab door threshold has been lowered, making it easier to get in and out. And the height of the cab was actually increased, so there's more headroom. But amazingly, the overall machine size is still small enough to maneuver in tight spaces. Better visibility is always important. So the largest door on the market, combined with the increased size of the windows on the sides and rear, means you'll get unmatched visibility in all directions. Creating a better work environment is important to many operators. Inside the cab, you'll find lower noise levels because of the new engine mounts. And it will stay cleaner because it has the best cab pressurization, which will minimize the amount of dirt and dust that would enter the cab without pressurization. You can choose what type of controls you want as well. The selectable joystick control is our most advanced and convenient option. It has low-effort control levers, which can be operated in the ISO or H pattern, and they're attached directly to the seat, so they move up and down as you do. This reduces arm movement and operator fatigue. You can even adjust them forward or backward to your preference. When it comes to power, Bobcat really delivers because solid horsepower and hydraulic performance are crucial in order to get your work done. The hydraulic systems have been engineered for higher standard flow and pressure to give attachments more power, which in turn allows you to work faster. Bobcat's superior design and manufacturing produce a loader that can even outperform higher horsepower machines. Another great feature is the hydraulic bucket positioning option. It keeps the loader bucket level as the arms travel upward, so you'll spill less and work faster and more efficiently. 3 of the loaders feature a radius lift path, which is ideal for backfilling or grading. The other 4 feature a vertical lift path, which is better for lifting heavier loads and loading flatbed trucks. The transverse-mounted engine allows you easier access to more maintenance items than any other manufacturer. When maintenance is easier, it's more likely to get done. Job-enhancing features have been added, like the deluxe instrumentation panel. And skid steer models offer a 2-speed feature, which boosts the maximum travel speed, reducing the time it takes to get across a large job site. Check out the M-Series 500 platform loaders for yourself.
Operator comfort on the M-Series loaders was a key feature that was designed into the machines. There's several things that were done on M-Series machines to enhance operator comfort.
Our cab is not only larger than ever before, it's been physically moved further forward on the machine. And what that allows for is the operator to be actually closer to the working area of the machine, giving them a better line of sight so they can see the corners of their bucket. They can see off to the side of their machine closer to their tires than they ever have before.
Inside the operator compartment, we've enhanced the heating and cooling systems to have larger capacity for better performance in extreme temperatures. The cab is pressurized to keep dust and debris out of the cab.
Our window sizes are bigger. We keep glass in areas that don't seem like you need glass, but they're the little nooks and crannies that every once in a while you're looking out when you're in a really tight spot.
We also have went to a better suspension seat and things like controls that are a little more ergonomically better placed, as well as like joystick controls that are mounted on the seat so that they move with the operator. Again, just making that experience in the machine better for the operator, lower fatigue for him so that he can operate for longer periods of time at a more efficient level.
If you're looking for productivity and efficiency in your next wheel loader, start your search with Doosan. Each model is designed to scoop, load, and carry material to the highest standards of durability, performance, and comfort. Built from the ground up for maximum horsepower and traction, Doosan wheel loaders are driven by a power shift transmission. This fully automatic transmission utilizes an electronic power optimizing system. That means the engine computer and transmission controller constantly communicate and adjust to provide maximum power and efficiency. What that means for you is lower fuel consumption, better performance, and smoother operation. Choose from 3 transmission modes: manual, auto 1 to 4, and auto 2 to 4 for the best kind of movement for your work. Doosan loaders are also equipped with standard limited slip, which allows the wheel with the most traction to receive the proper torque. There is also an optional hydraulic locking front differential. Quality extends to the engine. Proven Tier 4 technologies help lower operating costs, produce cleaner exhaust, yet provide all of the performance, reliability, and durability that you've come to expect. And you can choose between economy, standard, or power mode. The fuel filter separator uses double filtration and is easily accessible. The automotive-style engine air cleaner is 99% efficient. And because Doosan loaders are built for years of reliable productivity, you'll find durable components and standard quality features everywhere you look. Loaders have thick lift arm plates that provide maximum strength without sacrificing visibility. The Z-bar is designed for heavy lifting and loading applications with geometry that enables proper angle positioning. It also provides stronger breakout forces for better digging and penetration into tough materials. Lift arm pins are protected with bushings and dust covers for increased pin life and reduced maintenance. The standard auxiliary hydraulics makes hooking up hydraulic attachments more convenient, and there are 2 choices of quick couplers: ISO or JRB style. Remote grease points are grouped together to make it easier to lubricate those hard-to-reach areas. There is also an optional automatic greasing system available on select models. A tough, rigid frame coupled with large double roller bearings on the top and bottom form a superior articulation joint. The center driveline bearing is sealed to keep contaminants out, but vented to prevent overgreasing. There's a central remote hydraulic check port. The axle has self-adjusting brakes for longer life and less maintenance. Plus, there's an external point to check brake wear. Even access doors are higher quality. You'll see the rear door is made of steel, not plastic. The heavy-duty hydraulic cooler, radiator, and transmission coolers are all made from aluminum, and each utilize a 4-point rubber-mounted system to limit vibration from the machine. The variable speed cooling fan swings out 90 degrees to provide better access for service and cleaning. It's also reversible for extremely dusty applications and can be set to auto reverse at 30, 60, 90, and 120-minute intervals. Multiple cab improvements make your work easier and more comfortable. With class-leading visibility, you'll see your work better, and you'll remain comfortable in one of the biggest cabs in the industry. Automatic air conditioning, heat, and an improved steering column further extend the comforts that make your work easier. The joystick is equipped with Machine Travel Direction Control, FNR. Once activated, allows you to switch back and forth from forward, neutral, and reverse. Optional electric steering, available on some models, allows you to steer the machine with easy-to-operate switches and joystick on the left armrest. The air suspension seat features a right-hand control stand that's integrated into the seat assembly for increased operator comfort and easy controllability. Additional features include heated mirrors, a sun visor, and an optional rear-view camera. Durability, power, traction, comfort. These are the important things we consider when building Doosan wheel loaders because they're what's important to our operators. Are you ready to run strong? Contact your local dealer and take a look at Doosan today. Doosan excavators are built to take on your toughest jobs. With durable construction, dependable components, and sought-after fuel efficiency, they're ready for work. And with models equipped for nearly any digging, lifting, or loading application, you're bound to find a machine that can handle whatever your job site throws at you. It all starts with a high-pressure common rail-equipped engine with an electronic power optimizing system. Designed with proven Tier 4 technologies, it's built to lower your operation costs, produce cleaner exhaust, and provide strong performance. Choose between 4 power modes, including Eco, Standard, Power, and Power Plus. Optimize performance and save fuel by choosing the best mode for your application. There are also 4 available work modes, including digging, lifting, breaker, and shear. Refine your productivity by choosing the best performance for your task at hand. Smart power control also improves machine efficiency through variable speed control and pump torque control. With variable speed control, the engine speed is automatically reduced by up to 100 RPMs during a low workload requirement, such as during the swing portion of a dig cycle. Pump torque control automatically adjusts the hydraulic pump for the engine's actual available torque. While active only during digging work mode, SPC can be used with any power mode engaged. And you can choose between 3 travel modes: low, high, or auto shift. When you step inside the cab, you'll experience more room, more visibility, and more comfort than other machines. Superior visibility starts with larger windows. A standard rear view camera and optional side view camera extend your visibility even further. High-performance air conditioning and heat and a standard air suspension seat keep you comfortable. The seat includes height and weight adjustments, a headrest and armrest, and reclining options. Operating controls have been designed for maximum comfort and precision. Ergonomic joysticks feature a power boost button which provides additional hydraulic flow to the front work group. If equipped with the optional 2-way auxiliary hydraulics, use the joystick buttons or optional foot pedal to control attachments requiring hydraulics. A standard 7-inch color display provides maintenance history, machine monitoring information, and the view from the cameras. Select the split screen mode to display the camera and vital machine information at the same time. Outside the cab, you'll find a strong exterior that can stand up to your most challenging work. The bucket is built with tough, wear-resistant materials and reinforcing plates. Replaceable hardened metal wear discs maintain a tight fit of the bucket to the arm. All major pinpoints on the boom and arm are cast for extra strength in tough working conditions. Plus, there's an additional reinforcement around the bosses and internal gussets to ensure a long life for your work group. The hydraulic hose connections are positioned to be accessible when adding or switching attachments, yet high enough to be out of harm's way during operation. 2 boom lights are standard and protected from debris. Enjoy reduced maintenance costs and extended machine life with features like the strengthened boom, arm assembly, and durable X chassis. This undercarriage design allows debris to escape so it won't get trapped between the track link and the rail. Easily access the oil filter, air cleaner, fuel filter, radiators, and other engine components. Centralized grease points are grouped together to make greasing quicker and more accessible. On the track, all upper and lower rollers are lifetime lubricated, as well as the pin links, which are also sealed to maintain lubrication and keep contaminants out. The upper rollers are spread wide to provide better tension, reduce track whip, and make cleanout between the track and rail easier. The track spring and idler are integrated for greater strength, durability, and longer track life. Drive motors are mounted inside the profile of the track for greater protection. Durability, power, fuel efficiency, comfort. These are the important things we consider when building tough Doosan excavators, because they're what's important to our operators. Are you ready to run strong? Contact your local dealer and take a look at Doosan today.